Now let's move on to naming and determining formulas of ions. If an atom is neutral, it has the same number of protons and electrons. If an atom loses an electron, it will have one less negative charge and will obtain a net positive charge. A positively charged ion is called a cation. If an atom gains an electron, it will have an extra negative charge. This will result in a net negative charge. A negatively charged ion is called an anion. A helpful way to remember the difference between an anion and a cation is to think of the N in the anion as negative and the T in the cation as a positive sign. When an atom gains a charge, either positive or negative, it's called an ion. If an ion is formed from an individual atom, it is referred to as a monatomic ion. The formula of these monatomic ions are related to the element's location in the periodic table of elements. Notice that for group 1A, the charge is 1+. This means that one electron was lost to form a hydrogen ion, lithium ion, and so forth. For group 2A, the charge is 2+. This means that the 2 electrons were lost to form the beryllium ion, the magnesium ion, and so forth. Take a look at group 3A. The charge is 3+. This means that 3 electrons were lost to form the aluminum ion. Notice that for groups 1A, 2A, and 3A, the positive charge number is the same as the group number. To write the chemical symbol of an ion, write the atomic symbol followed by a superscript of the charge. When writing the charge, first write the number followed by plus or minus. To name a cation, write the name of the element, then the word ion. Now let's take a look at the right side of the periodic table to the nonmetals located in groups 5A, 6A, and 7A. In group 5A, nitrogen and phosphorus both have a charge of 3 negative. This means that 3 electrons were gained by each atom to form an anion. In group 6A, oxygen and sulfur have a 2 negative charge, which means 2 electrons were gained to form an anion. In group 7A, 1 electron was added to each atom in this group to form an anion. To name an anion, change the ending to the element to "ide" and add the word ion. For example, the anion formed from chlorine is named chloride ion and has the chemical symbol of Cl with the superscript negative. The elements located in group B are known as the transition elements. These elements are able to have more than one charge, such as copper is able to have 1+ charge or 2+ charge. To distinguish between an element's oxidation state or oxidation number, write the formula using a Roman numeral. For example, copper 1 would be written as copper with the Roman numeral 1 in parentheses, followed by the word ion. Copper 2 would be written as copper with the Roman numeral 2 in parentheses, followed by the word ion.